Good morning, Primary 3. I wish all of you are fine. Our topic today is heat energy. At the first, what is the meaning of energy? Energy, it's the ability to do work. Like when you eat, your body breaks down the food and gives you energy to run, play, and study. Or when you go to school and receive the sun energy in forms of heat and light energy. So, energy, it's the ability to do work, okay? The ability to do work. Repeat after me, the ability to do work. We can find energy in many forms or many types, such as electrical energy, thermal energy, light energy, heat energy, solar energy, nuclear energy, and so on. The one that we will focus on it today is heat energy. What is the meaning of heat energy? Heat energy, it's the energy that comes from sources of heat. Sources of heat are objects or things that give us heat. We have many sources of heat. Can you tell me some of them? Super, as you said, sun. Sun, it's the main source of heat on Earth. It gives us heat every day, and light, of course. Number 2, rubbing hands or friction. Try to rub your hands. Can you feel the heat energy? So friction is one of the sources of heat. Number 3, fire. Number 4, electricity. When you connect the iron to electricity, it gives you heat energy. Now, what do you feel when you touch a spoon in a hot mug? Can you feel the heat? Or why the handles of cooking pots are made of plastic? According to those examples, we can classify or divide the materials around us into two groups: good conductors of heat or insulators, bad conductors of heat. The good conductors of heat are materials which can transfer the heat through it. Okay? So the conductors of heat can transfer the heat through it, can transport or deliver the heat through it. We have many examples of good conductors of heat, such as metal spoon, iron nail, aluminum pan, copper coins, golden ring. But insulators are materials which can't transfer the heat through it, okay? Can't transfer the heat through it. So insulators can't transfer. Repeat after me, please. Insulators. Insulators. Thank you. Now, the pots are made of the two materials. Number 1, the good conductors of heat, which is the metal itself to cook the food. And number 2, the insulators, the bad conductors of heat, which are the handles of the pots in order to carry it easily. Question time. Choose the correct answer. Number 1 is one of the sources of heat. Is it moon, friction, or conduction? Super, friction. Number 2, it's the main source of heat on Earth. What is the main source of heat on Earth? Electricity, moon, or sun? Excellent, sun. Number 3, we make the handles of cooking pots from iron, aluminum, plastic, or wood. Handles. So it's plastic or wood. Excellent. Number 4, we make pans from good conductors, insulators, or both of them. Of course, both of them. Give reason 4 why cooking pans are made of aluminum. Excellent, because aluminum is a good conductor of heat. It can transfer the heat through it. Number 2, The handles of cooking pots are made of plastic. The handles. Excellent, because plastic is an insulator, bad conductor of heat. Video time.
Wow! Slides! Hey guys, should I go on this slide? Hmm. So, ouch! It's very hot. It's burning. I don't know what's wrong with it. Should I go again? Okay. Should I try that one? Hmm. Boom! Wow, it is cool. Wow, you're having fun. Yes, but something is wrong with this light. This is very hot. Oh, this light is made of metal. It is a good conductor of heat. It takes heat from the sun and transfers the heat to anyone who touches it. But sun rays are falling on this light too. But it does not feel hot. Look closely. It is made of different materials. It is called plastic. It does not absorb or transfer heat. Oh, so few materials absorb and transfer heat, but others don't? Yes, you're right. Few materials like metals let heat go through. These are called conductors. So this light is made of metal. It lets the heat go through it. So it is a conductor. Yes, metals are good conductors of heat. And this light is made up of plastic. It does not let the heat pass through it. So it is not a conductor. Yes, some materials do not allow heat to pass through them. These materials are known as insulators. Conductors and insulators. Guys, do you understand it? Get
Thank you for listening.